Move in the bubble.
Oh, on the wrong way.
So it obviously goes one way round.
We stack in 5. Melee, Reaper.
Oh.
I just took a gateway.
Yeah, I saw
Was
that.
you?
It's so funny.
I wasn't going to call anyone out for doing it.
Neither was I. I just watched him zip across though.
Not when you're standing there.
Silent, oh shit.
No way we're getting quad rings. I'll bet you 100k we don't get quad rings.
What do you mean? Let's
Boss
you
dies
mean we
before
don't
quad
get
rings.
Yeah, but you mean we get to we don't get them at all, like we don't get the cast, or we don't
We don't
get
have to go
to
through
cross
one
them
ring.
all?
We don't have to go through one ring.
At the kill. We're talking about the kill, yeah?
Yeah, 100%.
Thank
bet?
you, Sandy.
Okay.
The bet is that he's saying we will not get the last cast of rings, where you have to dodge 4 rings at all, like not even 1 ring. Don't use Bantu. Bosque, whose side are you on?
Shouldn't we use Ventus anyway? Just to
We should, but we just wanted to see how the fight goes now, right? And it's not necessarily, again, it was more a practice event, right? I mean, a Vantus rune will not stop you to dying to a crossing Halo.
They can Vantus rune if they want a Vantus rune, can't they?
Yeah, no shit, really?
Yeah. 30 minutes to the raid left.
I think we should vanish.
Oh,
them.
unlucky. I
Last
didn't
time
bring
reset,
one.
right? So if we're here on Sunday, might as well just use it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Alright, Vantus rune, boys. The AH man is there. No,
Vantus.
I have total faith in these guys that they don't even need Vantus rune to kill
Yeah,
it with
you
the
say
shield.
that after they all used it. You're such a sneaky.
I haven't used it. Where's my? Because
Yeah.
the AH mount.
I haven't used Ventus either.
Everyone has
Just
to
use it.
vanish.
Half of the raid did. I might
Yeah,
as
but
well.
the AH mount disappeared.
Not a
I'll
chance,
give you
Annie.
one. I'll give you one. I'll give you
Well,
one because Pete made a bunch for us.
Bob, you need to buy us all Vantus runes.
Kill the boss. Prove Ali wrong, guys. Right? Do you really want Ali to tell you what you're capable of?
Oh
The-
wow, really? This is how this discussion is
Yeah.
going?
If
You wanna-
Ali wins now, it's Keanu. Like,
concentrate.
He did.
Wait, I was
Straight.
pressing
Come
trade
on,
like a
guys.
motherfucker. It didn't work.
Dodge, everyone dodge it. Ali sabotage him. What the fuck?
I actually didn't have a pet either out. What the
Ali's
fuck?
trolling, guys.
Ali, come on.
It was the one last line from that arc that I didn't. So Vorps, wanna go again? I
Oh,
want
double
my
or not,
30K
double or
back.
nothing.
You wanna go again?
Double or nothing, Sam.
You wanna go again? Yeah, 30k. Let's go.
But no calling for rallies and that.
Yeah. No. What do you mean? What do you mean?
What do you mean, like, calling for rallies?
What
It's a
do you mean?
normal
Go
thing.
for it.
Sounds like Dr. Holmes.
You can't do like no jack.
Miss Mary, 1200 you're out. 1200 going once, twice.
Oh, good.
Knight is coming with the word.
No.
And then you got myself up there.
Fuckers.
Are you guys okay?
What up?
I have to say, Venefir is pretty poggers.
What
Yeah,
with the
no.
names? What with the names in
What do
the
you mean?
details?
What do you mean?
Tommy Pog, Pogrep, Old Pogish, Poganeros, Keanu Pog. What is this?
They are PogChamps.
It's not Keanu Pog there. I see Poganu.
Pogif, Pogchamp, Posh Pog.
Some of the more sophisticated people would say, "Keep on you."
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
Caponio is it's exotic.
No, it means rubber in a certain language.
Does it?
It's African. It's from Africa.
I think you're just seeing things, Ellie.
Dedicated to what? What?
Yes.
It's empty.
Oh, I jumped off the platform.
Swear.
Grazie.
Oh,
Saga! Yay! Clean.
So Poggers.
Good. Oh, there's only one dead.
Oh yeah.
3 minutes.
That's on your helm, actually.
What a puck kill.
It's now a good time to admit that I didn't actually have Salvation and I had the M plus talent equipped instead.
Skull, Scorpion. Rings.
I fell. Focus on dodging. Don't anchor.
Almost.
Knock back. Very careful there.
You like that?
Heart attack.
It's not like we are not going to do jailer. It's just a question, when are we going?
Ah!
Could you imagine killing Jailer Mythic before killing him on Heroic?
Sucks.
How would we do that?
Yes.
No, did you just get someone off?
Oh, I got Tommy.
That
I know
sounds
he
really
did it because
bad.
I done it to him last time when he was trying to get Ali. One fancy looking cow.
Wolves.
What?
You know I know it was you, right?
Did he tug you off?
He tried. Can I get a grip?
Huh?
Grip me for once. Be useful. Oh god damn it, really?
Be useful for
Why?
Don't get hit by one, I guess.
So you really have to not get hit by one. Yeah. Oh! What?
Oh!
Yeah, I
What?
only need 18.
What? We haven't got enough time for this today. I purposely.
What?
Where did you go? Ellie. Hello, Ellie. Well, what happened? Did you jump off again?
I was like, okay, why would you drive me there? Nothing is happening. And then it happened.
Seems to be messing up.
Why?
Nothing sounds right. You sound very roboty. Kind of like a static.
Is it just you, or do I sound staticky to everyone else?
Sound
I
okay
think
to
it's
me?
just me, because the BBC stream also sounds a bit
You sound a bit high pitched to me.
Let's
Yeah, I was about to
fine,
say,
normal
like, doesn't he sound different?
Yeah, he does sound like you've had a helium balloon.
There's something wrong with my headset. Be right back.
What the fuck is happening, copy?
Oh no, high pitched.
To be fair, I didn't want to say it because I thought it was just me.
I'm
That's why I
screaming,
didn't
I have a clip. It's fine. Just get him to say something.
I mean, he's been saying stuff for a while. We've got it.
Yeah.
Take outside port. Oh no.
Just too early.
AOE incoming.
Big portal outside. Again, I've fucking done it again, and I.
No way. Yep.
AOE incoming.
Watch this, bitch.
Watch your step.
Oh my fucking god. It was me, I heroed.
Yay!
Hey! Good job.
Well done, everyone.
Oh,
GG,
Birkin,
guys.
you lucky bastard.
Get the weapon, Bergen. Get the weapon.
I got it. Triggers.
Bergen! Bergen!
What the fuck?
Lucky
Is
bastard.
Birkin popular now?